Hello guys, in today's video we tried one of the most comfortable electric scooters with a built-in seat, JUICEASE ESBS. This is not a toy, this is a real city machine in which you can go to work every day, go shopping or even go for a weekend ride without stress. A powerful engine, a large seat, excellent lights and practical rear basket. The ESBS is made of those looking for functionality and reliability, and all at affordable price. See more after the intro. Opening the box reveals a carefully packed device. Each part is protected and positioned so that assembly is easy and quick. The scooter comes 90% assembled, and with a few simple steps you install the seat, fix the handlebars and mount the rear basket. The assembly tools come in a package and everything goes smoothly. We also got a high security 5-digit combination bicycle lock and of course a charger. The assembly was super easy, so even my grandmother could put it together, and here we are on the street ready for the first test ride. Everything looks solid, industrially robust and yet aesthetically pleasing. The frame finish is smooth, the wheels are neat and the handlebars fit exactly as they should. Surprisingly, the feel of quality for this low price is present from the first contact. One of the most striking features of this model, of course, is the huge 14-inch pneumatic wheels. In the world of electric scooters, where wheels are often 8 or 10 inches, these 14-inch are real luxury, and not only in a visual sense. Large wheels mean a more stable ride, easier overcoming bumps, better grip on the surface and safer turning, especially at the higher speeds. The pneumatic construction additionally absorbs vibrations, so you can feel like you are sliding instead of bouncing. This is extremely important if you plan on rides longer than a few kilometers. The first ride with the ESBS leaves an impression of smoothness and power at the same time. Underneath you whispers a quiet but powerful 500-watt motor located in the rear wheel, which pushes you forward with ease. Whether you are starting from a stand hill or climbing gentle slopes, the motor does not whine, does not draw too much electricity, and effortlessly pushes the vehicle to a maximum speed of 35 km per hour. This speed is more than enough for city driving, and the feel of security it provides those 35 km completely controllable. The ride is comfortable thanks to the excellent suspension. At the front there are double hydraulic shock absorbers which absorb every impact and convey the feeling of floating on the asphalt. At the rear seat, spring shock absorber further stabilize the rear end, especially when the basket is full or you are riding under uneven terrain. Riding while sitting on the wide, ergonomically shaped seat become a real pleasure, especially for older users, people who travel a lot or those who not like standing on long distances. With 48 watt and 10.4 amp-hour battery, the JUICEASE ESBS offers a range of up to 35 km, which is more than enough for several days of city driving without needing to recharge. If you go to work and back 5 km, charge is once a week. If you use it for deliveries, you have a day covered without a problem. Charging takes about 5 hours and the adapter comes with this device. The battery charges while you rest, watch a movie or sleep. Best of all, it never leaves you stranded. Once you have charged it, you know you can count on it. And more importantly, the smart management system prevents overheating or loss of capacity. When it comes to safety, the JUICEASE ESBS leaves no room for improvisation. The front and the rear disc brakes combined with the electronic engine brake allow you to precise, stable and powerful stopping and not only in dry conditions but also on wet asphalt, under leaves or dust where regular mechanical brakes lose their effectiveness. The feel under your fingers is convincing, the resistance is a perfect adjust, and there is no delay. It stops when you decide. At night you rely on the lights. The powerful white LED light headlight cuts through the darkness with ACE, and the red taillight and turn signals make you visible from afar. Riding at night is no longer a risk but a pleasure. The left and right turn signals are the professional touch. You feel more like you are on electric moped than a scooter. The scooter is started with a key in the lock located under the LCD screen. If at the first glance it's a simple LCD screen, here is not just the decoration, it is the heart of the information. It's located right on the middle of the handlebars, clear and response. The main screen display is highlighted, but what impresses are the additional details: battery status in percent, current mileage, total trip, and even the indicator of possible errors. The backlight automatically adjusts so that everything is visible both in the sun and at night. On the opposite side of the screen there is a factory installed mobile phone holder with a rubber grip that adjusts to various sizes of devices and holds them securely even when the road gets a little rough. The holder below also contains USB port, allowing you to charge your smartphone without worrying about additional batteries or cables in your bag. The rear basket is a real ace up. This model sleeve strong enough to hold shopping bags, sports backpack or smaller package, and we can even completely close it and turn it to a small seat. Combined with the load capacity of 120 kilograms, the ESBS becomes ideal for everyone, from teenagers to pensioners, from delivery people to parents. The iron alloy frame is resistant to impacts, weather conditions, and everyday use. The platform height of 25 cm and the chassis clearance of the 20 cm allow you to ride without fear of hitting the ground or catching crops. Everything has been thought out, from the rubber on the platform to better grip to the ergonomically shaped handles. The JUICEASE ESBS is much more than a means of transportation, it is an extension of your urban identity. A machine that doesn't ask for much but gives everything: comfort, power, safety and style merge into your vehicle that will change the way you move through everyday life. For those who demand more but don't want to sacrifice practicality, for those who want safety but without boardroom, for those who want flexibility and don't want to look like they are driving a child's toy, ESBS is here to redefine the rules in the game. It is not without a reason one of the JUICEASE best-selling models in the range. And if you're interested in purchasing this scooter, and I'm sure you are, the official sales links are available below this video. Don't miss your chance to get advantage of promotional pricing available now, so hurry up and order yourself your new JUICEASE ESBS scooter with seat today, while there is a chance, because quantities are limited. That's all for now, we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.